What's up? I have the cat because the dog was harassing her. And I'm making pasta fagioli. She was screaming, so now she's watching me make it. And I was just saying, I don't know how people with babies are constantly holding them. This is a talent. If you're a parent with a baby and you're carrying your child around like this as you're cooking dinner, I strive to be your level of strong. You want some food now? There you go. We're making pasta e fagioli, pasta and beans, and I'm adding some beef in for protein. Ground beef is on sale. This week has been pretty intense. I started off last week with kind of finishing my finals, and then I had to take my car down to get service because it was like not fully in park. Well, it was fully in park, but it didn't recognize that it was in park. So I had to hold the lever over towards the P to get it in my key out. Took it down last week to get it serviced, and they were like, okay, we got to order the part, come back next week. So I go down Monday to drop the car, stay over at my parents' Monday to Tuesday, pick it up Tuesday, but I couldn't actually take it home because when I went to the gear, tried to get the gear down, it didn't shift into drive. Not the fault of the people working there whatsoever. It was a bad part, and they realized it was a bad part after they took it apart again. And I was like, all right. So I went home. I didn't have a car yesterday. We had super high winds all day yesterday, 90, 95, 100 miles per hour. We very luckily didn't have our power shut off, although that could have been, there's a chance our power is going to get shut off tomorrow. And then I am also trying to finish and get all these packages shipped before tomorrow, Friday, but I don't know if the power is going to be out, and I was going to drop packages off on Wednesday, but I didn't have a car. And then on top of that, the post office I don't think had power. So it's just been a lot of chaos this week. So the way that we solve chaos is by, 1, a very nice glass of wine, and 2, a very good pasta. This is Saint Chateau Michel. That's not right. I'm not pronouncing that right. It's a Washington State winery. I'm a very happy wine drinker. You know, I love wine. I love drinking wine. Wine is also expensive. So, you know, if you're watching this channel, you want me to try your wines, sponsor me. I'll make a whole getting drunk video with my friends or something. I've been dysregulated the whole week. My partner just got off night shift. Is now going back to day shift. Night shift was a nightmare. If you have anyone that you know that's ever worked night shift, it is not a good time. It sucks. The whole house is in shambles. The animals in shambles. Me in shambles. Him in shambles. But we made it out, and now he's not on night shift, but he's going to have to go back at some point. So instead, while he's home, I'm making some pasta fagioli, or pasta fazool, depending on who you ask. I'm more of a pasta fagioli type of person, like a fajoule. So I'm adding some red wine to this that cuts the acidic taste. I read somewhere that sometimes people add cream, which you can do, and I have done that with like a lasagna soup type situation. Very good. Then on a basil. Basil is really the only seasoning I put in here except for salt and garlic, so it needs to be good. And then I have some chicken broth. I like to use bone broth. Still good. So yeah, I'm hoping to have more good things happening this weekend that I can vlog, but this week has just been so fucking rough. Came straight out of finals week right into stress, you know? So we're trying to take it easy. Yeah. So the windstorm was so bad that one of my maceration jars fell over and broke. And I have a bunch of bones to sort through and glue some teeth in because they have a tendency to pop out. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And I have to sort out which ones are the rabbit feet. I do have like the rabbit skull, which I'm really excited about. And some of those side pieces. The rest are This is Rabbit. So I have a lot of prairie dog bones, and these are from ages ago. Now we're working on getting this fox jawbone back together. It unglued itself a long time ago, like in the move from, get off me, to Colorado. So now I have some super glue. I'm already working on stuff. I've had this fox skull for so long. I love it very dearly. So it's Saturday. My partner tried to drop off all the packages this morning, and the post office is out of power. Well, I tried to drop it off a day, like on Thursday. I haven't had a car all week. So I'm gonna see if I can organize a pickup with the post office, because I think that is gonna have to be the best way of doing this. Okay, they can pick up. There's a dog here. Only certain packages will be available for free pickup. Okay, how many packages are we picking up? So many. I think there's like 4 bags, so we'd have to wait. But it looks like they can do a pickup. It does look like they do into Christmas Eve. Good. Things may be a little late, and I'm a little pissed about that, but it's like crazy like things were just so not my control this week. I finally got the car back late Thursday evening, and then Friday there was another blackout. The power was out again. So the power's been out for most people since Friday. It's Saturday, and the company is like, it's probably not going to come back on till Sunday or Monday, and people are pissed. I would be pissed too. We are one street past the cutoff point for the power outage, which is absolutely bonkers. I have no idea how that happened, but at the same time, I'm very grateful for it. So once my partner gets back with the packages, I'll be able to count them and go from there. I'm not sure what today's gonna look like. I know we're starting to talk about Ancestral Magic, the book club, for my Patreon, and that's gonna be running till like February. So if you wanna hop in, you can hop in, because we have one meeting, and then Christmas, and then New Year's, and then I'm on a trip, so I'm not home. So if you want to hop in on that and discuss and have a good, fun conversation around Ancestral Magic, led by the person who wrote it, yeah, feel free to scoot on in there. I'm gonna wash my face real quick, and then we're gonna get started. Finished up December with going to a birthday party for my friend Kathleen at the pole den. It was a great time, with Cam leading us through a XXX style prompt-led class. And at the end, Mary and I did a few little cheeky doubles. We got a picture, and I got some B-roll of the birthday queen herself. I highly recommend, even if you're a beginner to pole and have never danced before, because Cam does amazing at making a expressive, welcoming, sexy environment.